Alberta, Canada, offers a variety of stunning destinations to explore. Here are some of the best places to visit in Alberta. 1. Banff National Park. Known for its breathtaking mountain landscapes, turquoise lakes, and abundant wildlife, Banff National Park is a must-visit destination for outdoor enthusiasts. 2. Lake Louise. Famous for its stunning turquoise waters and surrounding mountain scenery, Lake Louise is an iconic spot for hiking, canoeing, and photography. 3. Jasper National Park. Offering pristine wilderness, rugged mountains, and stunning glaciers, Jasper National Park is perfect for outdoor adventures like hiking, wildlife spotting, and stargazing. 4. Moraine Lake. Another gem in Banff National Park. Moraine Lake boasts stunning turquoise waters and is surrounded by towering peaks, making it a favorite spot for photographers and hikers. 5. Icefields Parkway. This scenic drive between Jasper and Banff offers breathtaking views of glaciers, waterfalls, and rugged mountain landscapes. 6. Calgary. Alberta's largest city, Calgary, offers a vibrant cultural scene, excellent dining, shopping, and attractions like the Calgary Stampede and Calgary Tower. 7. Edmonton. Alberta's capital city, Edmonton, is known for its lively festivals, including the Edmonton Folk Music Festival and the Fringe Festival, as well as attractions like West Edmonton Mall, the largest mall in North America. 8. Waterton Lakes National Park. Situated in the southwest corner of Alberta, Waterton Lakes National Park offers stunning mountain scenery, pristine lakes, and excellent hiking trails. 9. Drumheller. Known as the dinosaur capital of the world, Drumheller is home to the Royal Tyrrell Museum and stunning Badlands landscapes, making it a fascinating destination for paleontology enthusiasts and nature lovers alike. 10. Dinosaur Provincial Park. Another great destination for dinosaur enthusiasts. Dinosaur Provincial Park offers guided tours, hiking trails, and opportunities to see real dinosaur fossils in their natural environment. These are just a few of the many incredible places to visit in Alberta. Whether you're seeking outdoor adventure, natural beauty, or cultural experiences, Alberta has something for everyone.